In the rapidly evolving landscape of information technology, a visionary initiative was born in 2012, the Association of System Integrators and Retailers in Technology, ASIRT. This is the story of a remarkable journey towards shaping the digital future of India. Back in 2012, IT channel partners grappled with unprecedented business challenges. Fear and uncertainty, fierce competition, scattered approach, and lack of skills all played their part in making the outlook look very bleak. It was literally a battlefield where no one was a winner. The need for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and a collective voice became evident. Amidst this IT channel chaos, ASIRT emerged as a beacon of hope, uniting like-minded individuals who shared a common goal to transform the IT landscape in India. With unwavering determination, ASIRT aimed to empower its members to navigate the complexities of the industry. Today, ASIRT boasts a diverse membership, catering to every facet of the IT ecosystem, from SOHOs to consumers, retailers to SMBs, enterprises to government institutions. ASIRT stands as a symbol of unity, diversity, and progress. The essence of ASIRT lies in its approach to help the IT channel community to adapt and innovate. ASIRT has paved the way for technological excellence amongst its members, thus helping them translate these skills to their clientele. Collaboration lies at the heart of ASIRT's success story. Members come together to introduce, integrate, implement, train, and support cutting-edge technologies. It's more than just a network. It's a family working towards a digitally empowered India. But collaboration and success do not come overnight. The unwavering efforts of the leadership at ASIRT to identify the right members, create the right networking platforms, generate the right opportunities for building skills, and lay the right path for business growth have made it a force to reckon with. ASIRT is more than an association. It's a community that takes pride in contributing to India's digital growth story. ASIRT is more than an association. Share successes and build connections that transcend business. The tech landscape has undergone a remarkable transformation since ASIRT's inception. Yet, through it all, ASIRT has stood tall, equipping its members with the tools needed to provide cutting-edge solutions for the betterment of India. From its humble beginnings in 2012 to its current stature as a pillar of India's growth, ASIRT's commitment to fostering skills, knowledge, and collaboration remains unwavering. ASIRT, partner, progress, evolve.
और दूर रहूं क्या मैं એટલે
अतिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चर जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की
are requested to register their name. Those members who have not registered their name, please register, do the registration process. It is on the back side. So if you need any help, please contact any of the board member or committee member if you need any help in registration. Family are irreplaceable, and few of our ASIRT members have lost their dear and near ones. So I request all of you to maintain a silence for a minute for the departed soul. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Cricket World Cup is on. How many of you know Cricket World Cup is on? How many are cricket lovers here? And how many are cricket playing members are here? Very nice. So what is the learning from Men's Cricket World Cup 2023? What's the learning for all of us? Any learning? Any team can win. Performance, result, consistency, persistency. So what the difference is, if you know the players, तालियां अपना एड्रेस बदलती रहती है, तालियां अपना एड्रेस बदलती रहती है, लेकिन अगर परसिस्टेंसी हो, फोकस हो, तो ही तालियां आपके पास आ सकती है. Right now we are in the season of festivals. And why do we have festivals? Any idea? We all enjoy. What's the reason of having festivals? To share love, to share happiness. Forget about our problems, re-energize ourselves, recharge ourselves, and come back to a normal life. So that's the reason India has so many festivals. So we come out of our problem, recharge, re-energize, and come back in action. And that's the reason we have festivals. How many of you know this gentleman? Raise your hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jatin? Yeah. 2 hands. Oh, wow. So this is the gentleman. Because of him, today I am here. So how many of you know me? Very few, very few. Kaustubh, you lost. He told me that you are as famous as I, but I am not. So Sunday lunch is with you, and it's on you. Thank you. Thank you very much, members, for supporting me. So who am I for ASIRT? I am the one who don't know me. I am the one who booked the turf for Sunday crickets. So that's my job in ASIRT. So who am I personally in my family? A small introduction is needed so you know me better, you understand me better. So I am a good son, I am a good father, and I am a very obedient husband, like you all. Yeah? So who am I at my office? Who am I at office? What do you see here? Any idea? It's not Saturday evening or not Friday evening. What's the What do you see here? So I am a bottleneck in my organization. Yeah. So what a coincidence. What a coincidence that the bottleneck is at the top. So are we all also a bottleneck in our organization? Think about it. Why is it needed? Why you have to think about it? So when I spoke to a friend of mine, Harish, he's from the HR background, and I said, Harish, I need my team to perform. I need my team to deliver. I need my team to be productive. He said, you are the cause. They are not delivering you because of you. You are a bottleneck. So we need to think and have to think about it again and again that we should not be a bottleneck for our organization. So for that, what do we have to do? Not only in our organization, but in our family also. If you have children, we have to get down from their shoulders. We need to get down from their shoulders. That's the way you give them the space, give them the path to improve, to progress. And that's called the leadership. That is what expected from you all members. He said another thing. He said if you judge, if you judge, you fail. If you judge your employees, you fail. And if you understand them, then you are pass. But if you can handle the misunderstanding in your organization, then only you can become a hero. So the major task is handling the misunderstanding in the organization, in the life, to become a hero. So this is what we do. We blame them and then we just leave them. So give them the responsibility just for their progress and the organization progress. This is for whom? Is this for whom? Any idea? Any guesses? Breakfast have been served, but still there is no noise, no voice. Why so? Menu badalna padega breakfast ka next time se. So these are our earlier board members and the committee members. They have done a fantastic job in their last term. And they deserve a big round of applause for their success. Who is this? Who is this? Harish? Hemant. Hemant, yeah. So I was telling Kaustubh that you have made a new committee member very difficult, very, very difficult by setting up the Hemant Sunil at such a very high. A very, very high place. Why? Because he has set a very high benchmark. So if Kaustubh is there, I am there, then Sunil has to be here with us. So I welcome all of you on Tech Day number 113. Thank you all of you. Thank you sponsors for coming here and joining us for the Tech Day 113. I would say that the day today we are having here, the day we are enjoying here, thanks because of the sponsors. Thank you because of the committee members and the board members, because millions of people are dreaming about this day, enjoying this day, but they don't get the opportunity. So thank you very much sponsors and the committee members for this Tech Day. So, what is the reason to come for Tech Day? What is the reason? Why do you come for Tech Day? नाश्ता कहते हैं रिश्ते नशा होते हैं. हम पीते नहीं है लेकिन बोल सकते हैं. कहते हैं रिश्ते नशा होते हैं, कोई कहता है रिश्ते सजा होते हैं, लेकिन अगर निभाए जाए अच्छे दिल से तो वही टेक डे में आने की वजह होते हैं. So thank you all of you for joining on this tech day. When I said this, so this is not the first time I said this. I was saying this when we were having a tea break, and a pat came from the back and said, Harshad. And I was surprised to see a gentleman, a bold, brave, and the bright. He said, what did you say? I said, no, I said nothing because I got scared. I said, you are a senior member, so I want to learn something. What I should not be and what I should not feel about. So tell me something what I should not be. और मुझे क्या नहीं होना चाहिए और मुझे क्या नहीं सोचना चाहिए. And the answer he gave me, मुर्गा नहीं होना चाहिए. मुर्गा मत बनो, मुर्गे के जैसा मत सोचो. I was surprised how he came to know that after having a dinner, after each tech day, when I go home, I become murga. How did you know this? सब लोग बनते हैं. So curiosity, due to the curiosity, I asked him, what is the reason? Why did you say me that don't be a murga and don't think like a murga? He said that the cock thinks that the sun shines after he crows, and that's the biggest misbelief. The day when you have this misbelief that the things are happening just because of you, you are sure you are going to get cut. So never think about murga becoming a burga and never think like a murga. So please help me welcoming this bold, brave and bright Mr. President Bharat Chheda. Please welcome.
Real bold murga. Thank you very much. So how many of you are yes, Tushar bhai, Tushar and Tushar. How many of you are coming here today for a tech day or you are coming for ACPL? For ACPL, how many are coming for ACPL? Only for ACPL. ये बड़ा मुर्गा है. So let me, of course, Harshad has already told about the new board. So let me again thank you all for giving us opportunity to the new board for an opportunity to serve you. So I would like to introduce you to the new board. Of course, this is the agenda which we will cover today. I'd like to play a video here, which was played earlier also on the Synergy Day and the last AGM also. It actually talks about what we are, how we started, especially some of the founder members are here. I'm sure they will enjoy this journey, and especially sponsors. Please understand what we are, what we were, how we started, and what we are today.
In the rapidly evolving landscape of information technology, a visionary initiative was born in 2012, the Association of System Integrators and Retailers in Technology, ASIRT. This is the story of a remarkable journey towards shaping the digital future of India. Back in 2012, IT channel partners grappled with unprecedented business challenges. Fear and uncertainty, fierce competition, scattered approach, and lack of skills all played their part in making the outlook look very bleak. It was literally a battlefield where no one was a winner. The need for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and a collective voice became evident. Amidst this IT channel chaos, ASIRT emerged as a beacon of hope, uniting like-minded individuals who shared a common goal to transform the IT landscape in India. With unwavering determination, ASIRT aimed to empower its members to navigate the complexities of the industry. Today, ASIRT boasts a diverse membership, catering to every facet of the IT ecosystem, from SOHOs to consumers, retailers to SMBs, enterprises to government institutions. ASIRT stands as a symbol of unity, diversity, and progress. The essence of ASIRT lies in its approach to help the IT channel community to adapt and innovate. ASIRT has paved the way for technological excellence amongst its members, thus helping them translate these skills to their clientele. Collaboration lies at the heart of ASIRT's success story. Members come together to introduce, integrate, implement, train, and support cutting-edge technologies. It's more than just a network. It's a family working towards a digitally empowered India. But collaboration and success do not come overnight. The unwavering efforts of the leadership at ASIRT to identify the right members, create the right networking platforms, generate the right opportunities for building skills, and lay the right path for business growth have made it a force to reckon with. ASIRT is more than an association. It's a community that takes pride in contributing to India's digital growth story. ASIRT is more than an association. Share successes and build connections that transcend business. The tech landscape has undergone a remarkable transformation since ASIRT's inception. Yet, through it all, ASIRT has stood tall, equipping its members with the tools needed to provide cutting-edge solutions for the betterment of India. From its humble beginnings in 2012 to its current stature as a pillar of India's growth, ASIRT's commitment to fostering skills, knowledge, and collaboration remains unwavering. ASIRT, partner, progress, evolve.
So this basically describes who we are as an ASIRT. We have 230 plus members, diversified into system integrators, retailers, people who are into security solutions, into telecom solutions. So we have complete range of service providers and distributors and resellers and system integrators, which provides complete solution to the customer. So this is the new board which was elected in the last AGM held in September. We have Nilesh Kadakia as chairman, myself president, Jayesh Sompura as treasurer, Avinash Bankaraika as secretary, Sandeep Saraf joint treasurer, Karthik Kazi joint secretary. Then we have Kshitij Kotak, Tushar Parekh, Mahesh Mota, Sanjay Ruparel, Harshad Thakkar, and Pranav Badeka, all are part of the board. So I thank everyone present here on behalf of the board. So we have a lot of teams working behind the scene to make sure that all the members get an experience which they, people join ASIRT for something, some experience. So we ensure that by this team is performing well to give that experience. We have this grievance team, Mr. Nilesh Kadakia and Sandeep Saraf. This is our email ID for grievance in case you have any kind of grievance for any kind of problems related to your parts, support. How many of you have used this email ID? 1, 2, 3, that's it. So in case you have any issues related to OEM, their supplies, their quality, service, please send your email, we'll take care of it. Then we have PR team, myself and Nilesh, basically we connect with a lot of media. We have tie-up with all this media where all our events are published as a press release and also on social media. So we have presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Then we have presence across. We have YouTube channel also. Now here I would like to, excuse me, I want to ask you a question. How many of you are connected, ASIRT on any of this link, any of this profile? How many on LinkedIn? LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, we had 534 followers. This is the last month's statistics. Today it is 554. And today morning I checked on how many of them are members. Any guesses for that? Out of 554, how many are connected as a member? How many of them are members of ASIRT? Less than 50. Not even 50. So anyway, there was a survey, एक सर्वे आया था कि कोई भी एक मोबाइल में कितने unused ऐप होते हैं. तो on an average, it is said that हर एक मोबाइल में there are at least 20 apps which are unused for more than 6 months. तो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है सबसे कि in case you have not installed LinkedIn, please install, follow ASIRT. बाद में use मत करना चलेगा. But at least start following ASIRT in all these platforms because it gives us mileage, it gives us coverage, it gives us exposure, which will bring sponsors like them to us. And also the members. The new members, when they see us on the platforms like this, they are willing to become a member with us. So sincere request, please follow, like, share our social media platforms. Then we have event team, one of the most active, one of the most blamed, and they are always on the toes. We have Jayesh Shompura, ASIRT Thakkar, Karthik Kazi and Sanjay Ruparel. So they ensure that all our events are organized properly, whether it's a LED, sound system, seating arrangement, food, everything is managed by our events team. And they also manage, apart from tech days, they manage ACPL, social, synergy event, anniversary celebration that we do, and of course CEO Goshti that we have started a few months back. Then we have consortium team. So Nilesh Kadakia, myself, Bharat, Jayesh Sompura and Avinash, we are heading this team. Recently we have formed the new consortium based on the location of the members. How many of you have already joined the new consortiums? Everybody? Anybody who has left out? Anybody who is not part of the new consortium? So good. So everybody is already. So everybody is part of the new consortium. This is based on location. The reason for creating this new consortium is to ensure that we have more collaboration, more meetings. It's easier to meet when members are nearby. I hope this will enhance the collaboration among the members. Then we have IT team, Sanjay Ruparel, Avinash, Kshitij Bhai and Tushar Parekh. They take care of all our IT infrastructure like website. Then we have a CRM software and other IT infrastructure that we have. It is managed by the IT team. This is the ACPL team. Sanjay Ruparel, Karthik Kazi, Nilesh Kadakia, ASIRT Thakkar. I missed one name here because he joined later. Tushar Parekh is part of this. My presentation happened before this. So Tushar Parekh also is here. Now these are the contact details in case you don't have. Chairman, President, Secretary, all the other board members. And we have 3 email IDs, membership@asirt.in, grievance@asirt.in, and our relationship manager Neha. Is Neha here? Okay, she's outside. So we have relationship manager Neha. So you can, if you want to communicate anything, you can communicate to her through rm@asirt.in. these are our social media links. 3 years back, of course, we were always there in all the platforms, but thanks to Tushar Parekh, and then later on Avinash, where is Avinash? Yes, they made extraordinary efforts to make sure that these channels are active, and we have seen the substantial growth in the followers. We have 5 WhatsApp groups which are managed by ASIRT committee. One is ASIRT announcement, ASIRT business group, social group, sports and cricket group, and consortium groups. If you are not part of any of this group, please let us know. We'll put you in the group, and do join this group so that you are aware about the activities done by activities of the group, activities of the ASIRT. So these are the few news I would like to share with you. Recently, we participated in Gates India event held on 12th to 14th of October at Jaipur, and ASIRT as an association was part of event as an event partner. And the most important thing, recently we got an award by SME channels at New Delhi. That was the most aggressive ICT Association award, and this award was accepted by our members Jiten Mehta and Kaustubh Kulkarni, and I would request Kaustubh bhai to come on the stage and hand over this award to. Actually, this award belongs to the last. It is here. To the last committee. So on behalf of the last board members, I would request our chairman Nilesh Kadakia and IPP immediate past president Sanjay Ruparel to come on the stage and accept this award on behalf of the whole ASIRT. Mr. Nilesh Kadakia and Sanjay Ruparel will accept the award. Thank you. And then we have, now I got 2 more teams, very important teams. ये हमारा So there are 2 teams which are left. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है पीछे. Okay. Is it better now? ये चालू करके देखो. Is this better? Is this better? Okay. तो अपना धंधा, ASIRT is not a business organization, but we still have to run, right? We have to still run it as a business. So business में, as an ASIRT, as a business, we have अपना दाल रोटी चलता है ना, तो 2 टीम से चलता है. एक है sponsorship team and the next team, anybody guess? Next team? Membership team. So I request everybody to, yes, Tushar Shah will always have the answers. So it's very important to understand these 2 teams. The sponsorship team works very hard to get the sponsors for the events like Tech Day, ACPL, socials, and we expect members to participate actively and more importantly attentively so that our sponsors get value, okay? And that's our अपना दाना पानी उनसे ही चलता है. So we have to ensure that we get more sponsors, quality sponsors, and we give them quality experience, okay? So please, in case you have any probable sponsors, please let us know. We'll speak to them and ensure that they are onboarded. Then we have membership team, Jayesh Sompura, Karthik Kazi, Mahesh Mehta and Pranav Badeka. So they are working, you will not believe, we get almost 20 applications in a month for membership. And we reject, the bad news is we reject more than we accept. And they have to do a lot of planning, lot of talking, lot of, they do research before really accepting a member as a member, application as a member. So we may think that, membership team kya karta hai, but it's a very difficult job to say no to somebody. Okay, and they are doing wonderful job. I really want to thank them for making us really proud. We have more than 230 members today. So thank you very much. So I request Harshad to continue. Thank you very much.
Difficult to say no, because at home also we don't have authority to say no. So we always have to say yes and have to be very positive. It's a matter of understanding. So Jatin, am I audible? Yeah, my wife said that you can raise the voice when you're outside, but not at home. So that's fine. So without mathematics, there is nothing we can do. Everything around us is mathematics. Everything around us is numbers. Not said by me, but Shakuntala Devi. The way we and our customers cannot live without numbers. And so, seamless quality power by Numerix UPS. I welcome Numerix team to come here and do a presentation. Thank you very much.
So very good evening to everyone. Thank you for being here. And this is a wonderful platform for us to interact with you, with each one of you. So Numeric as a brand brings a lot of value, lot of insights for all the channel partners and customers. Going ahead, first I'll introduce, I'm Devnish Khurana. I'm responsible for channel business for West. And we have a team here. We have got Ravi sir. Ravi sir is our country manager sales. Just came from Chennai, and it's great that he has been here to attend this forum. Prasad is here. Prasad is our branch manager for Mumbai. So Prasad manages all the business channel direct for Mumbai. Zaidi is our channel team member based out of Mumbai. We have Rashmi. Rashmi is a specification specialist. So all about specs, products, speccing, positioning, Rashmi takes care of it. And Prashant is from service team. As service is a very important part for any organization, and probably a very critical marketing tool for all of us. So the entire team for Numeric is here. I will hand over this mic to Ravi sir, and Ravi sir can take us through the company overview, and then Rashmi will take us through the products, and Prashant will help us understand on service. So request you to be very interactive, and wherever you have any doubts, you can ask us. So this platform will help us to engage more and interact and make the bonds better. Thank you.
Thanks to all the office bearers of ASIRT for giving us an opportunity to be here. I know Mumbai is also called as the financial capital, and we at Numeric, our relationship or our business depends on BFSI. We call it as BFSI in our term, Banking Financial Security Services. We do a sizable business with BFSI, and I think 80% of BFSI decision makers are sitting in Bombay, and although they are sitting in Bombay, they decide for their requirements spread across the country. And we are happy that we have been associated with many of the big brands who operate out of Bombay, particularly in BFSI business, for more than 3 decades. So Numeric was an Indian company, started way back 35 years back. And we became part of Group Legra in the year 2012. We were acquired by Legrand, a French organization, in the year 2012. So Legrand has their global headquarters in France and Indian head office in India. We are a 9 billion organization globally, and we have about 100 product families, and we have almost 60 brands owned by Group Legra, because each country we have some specialized brands which operate out of all those countries. And we have a footprint of about 180 countries. What is very unique about it is that 69% of our business comes from products where we are either number 1 position or number 2 or number 3. So that is our unique strength. So we hold on to those brands which are so unique. And we have a global team of about 39,000 people who are spread across these 180 countries. And in India, we have about 3,000 people, and we have about 9 manufacturing facilities spread across the country. So these 9 manufacturing facilities, sorry, here it is 8, we have recently added 1 more. 9 manufacturing facilities manufacture all the products which we have in India. So UPS is one of the product. We have multiple other products, which I'll come to you in the next slide. So basically 10 product families in India, we have a leadership position. We have 80 offices in India. We have 3 R&D centers in India. So these are the brands which are present in India. So few brands you might be familiar with, few brands you might have not heard of. One, Legra is into digital space. If you get into any commercial office, if you get into any residential office, whatever is inside LT, low voltage, we have all the products and solutions for within us. Indo-Asia also has similar products, which was again an acquired company in 2011. And we have ADLEC. ADLEC is type-tested panel manufacturers. We build panel for specialized projects, whether it is underground metro or for airports or for data centers. All those type-tested panels are manufactured in ADLEC. Starline is a US brand which was acquired by us 3 years back. Starline is into busbar solutions, overhead busbar solutions for data centers. And Numeric, the brand which was acquired by Legra in 2012, is exclusively in UPS systems. Wallrack was acquired again in 2014, which is into racks, server racks. And we have Rallyton. Rallyton is intelligent PDUs, which is again used in server racks. So again, Rallyton is a US brand which was acquired by us some 7-8 years back. And we have a very good presence of Rallyton in particularly server spaces. All the global multinationals, whether it is Amazon or it is Microsoft or Google, they use plenty of Rallyton products for their server racks because these are intelligent server racks. And we have a server technology which is, Rallyton is ACPDUs, whereas server technology is DCPDUs. So we have both them. And we have one experience center in Bombay, in Andheri, where you have few of the products displayed, which is a very good size experience center in Bombay. We also have an experience center in Bangalore, which is for the complete product basket, which includes Rallyton PDUs, server technology PDUs. We have Starline busbar trunking solution, ADLEC panels, everything is there, UPS, everything is there. It's a complete experience center which is in Bangalore. And all the connected devices are live, so customer can experience the functioning, the features, etc. in those experience centers. So Coming back to Numeric is with 35 years of experience, global expertise, local knowledge, 2 manufacturing locations, 1 million active installation base, and about 1,700 people on the rolls. So we operate on company-owned, company-operated service model all across the country. And we are completely digital, whether it is a store locator, all our enterprise business partners will be visible from our data center where, if any customer wants to buy a product, if they go to the website, they can find out who is the partner who is available close to them. Their contact details will be available. All our products, we have an e-catalog for all our products. So if you go to our website, you will see that all products, a customer can, design a UPS, right set of UPS with the data that he is having with the e-catalog and the online configurator. We recently has launched an e-shop, so about 600 VA to 40 kVA UPS for various combinations are available in our e-shop. A customer who wants to buy can go and place an order directly in an e-shop and buy. So we have end-to-end solution there. In our service solution, we have installation and commissioning, warranty and annual maintenance contract, battery solutions and training. So all the pieces of service are part of our service solutions. And all our products are eco-friendly design. Being a French organization, we are more committed to sustainability goals. And today, I think you people are working in Bombay, where if you go to any MNC or any big Indian corporate, in their balance sheet, everybody has to disclose what is that they're going to do. They have ECG goals. Environment committee goals are there. So if they, in that, they will have to see what value they have added, what is their commitment to the environment. So we help them. So many of the organizations where we work with, we help them in reducing their carbon footprint, because we try to even go beyond, like, the last leg delivery of the products we try to do with the vehicles which are either CNG or electric, so that we help them reduce their carbon footprint. All our products are PEP certified, and also all our products are 62040-4 certification, which is mandatory for environment. And we have our installations for all the applications, whether it is data center, commercial, healthcare, infrastructure, manufacturing, and residential. So just to give a small hint about how big is our commercial infrastructure. Today, if you look at e-commerce space, whether it is Flipkart or Amazon, are their delivery partners like Delivery, who is a logistic partner. About 70 to 80% of their fulfillment centers are powered by our UPS systems completely. And all these fulfillment centers are today completely automated. There is no manual interruption, robotized. So all these fulfillment centers will be having UPSs of 300 kVA, 6 numbers, 7 numbers connected in parallel. And when it comes to infrastructure, about 70% of Indian airports are powered by our UPS. Within an airport, there are 10 different applications. I think one starting from FIS, Flight Information System, Passenger Information System, Air Traffic Control, IT, runway lighting. So the list goes on, because they keep automating. Today, with Digi Yatra, they have again coming with one more level of automation. So we have about 10 different applications we have installed, particularly when it comes to very remote locations, whether it is Srinagar Airport, whether it is Jammu Airport, or the recently upgraded Leh Airport is powered by us. Or Northeast, if you take any of the airports, all our 7 sisters airports are powered by Numeric UPS. So we are joining hands with the government in building their infrastructure. Metro, again, we have about 70% of the metros are powered by our UPS systems. That's basically because of our service infrastructure, where we were able to deliver quality service at the right time. And healthcare, of course, we have a very good presence in healthcare as well. So these are the brands that we are associated with. Name all the brands we are associated. Just to take out ICC Bank, with whom we are associated for 35 years. And we today have about 4,850 branches powered by our UPS. They just have 1% or 2% of the branches powered by my competitors UPS. That's because they have to give a chance to my competitors. So all their ATMs and the branches is powered by UPS, and we have a very stringent TAT for them, and we are able to maintain. Not only that, ICICI, Kotak, you take Kotak Bank, you take IndusInd Bank, you take HDFC Bank, so we have extensive presence. Apart from BFSI, in retail, whether it is Reliance or whether it is Trend or it is More, we are associated with all the retail partners, and all this because of our service infrastructure. Because our service infrastructure is the biggest strength. We have 254 service centers, and these 254 service centers are backed up with 54 regional repair centers. And these 254 regional repair centers are backed up with 19 fulfillment centers. Basically, all the consumables are stocked at these 19 locations. So we have a chain of backup system which enables us to deliver the required TAT for the customers. So if you are looking at doing a business which is outside of Bombay in any state, we can join hands with you in helping you in delivering the services and meeting the delivery TAT as well as the service TAT for your customers. So our growth drivers of innovation, smart solution, power to people, and preemptive partnering. So when it comes to innovation, so we do solution-based innovation, need-based innovation, because we don't think of doing something very radical, but we just see what is the customer need. Based on the customer need, we do need-based innovation and give smart solutions. And power to people is, we keep training our people, empower them, grow the organization, and help us also to grow. And preemptive partnering is that partnering like people with you to see how we can complement each other in growing both our businesses. So Numeric has a unique capability to think big and provide need-specific innovation and yet be humble and grounded to develop products as per the customer requirements and be agile and responsive to become a true partner. Thank you. We are associated with two of our national distributors. Ingram is our national distributor. We recently have signed up with Rasi. These two are our national distributors. We have extensive enterprise business partners across the country, say about 134 enterprise business partners who are also having stock of our UPS systems. So for all your solutions, so you name an application, you name a project, whether it is smart city, whether it is metro projects, or it is an airport project or a highway project. We have an expertise of doing all variety of projects. So we can help you. We can work together in from the initial stage, and we can complement each other in the growth story. Thank you. I now welcome Reshmi to take over and give a brief about the product details.
Thank you, Ravi sir. Good evening, everyone. I'll take you through the Numeric product portfolio. So Numeric has a portfolio in single phase and three phase as well. So in single phase, we have two product line. Basically, the mode of operation is offline UPS and online UPS. So in offline UPS, we have the four products like digital 600, digital 1000, digital 1000 and digital 2000. So the basic difference is digital 600 and digital 1000 comes with an inbuilt battery of 7 Ah, which can give a backup of about 10 to 20 minutes. And digital 1000 HRV and digital 2000 HRV, it comes with an external battery which can give you a backup up to 2 hours as well. Like the maximum size of battery we can give is up to 26 Ah. So in the online UPS, we have Premius, Onfinity, Darker DK and HP Max. So I'll dive deep into the products in the next slide. So this is the product range for online UPS, which is single phase. Onfinity and Premius and Darker DK. They are having a range from 1 kVA to 10 kVA. Onfinity and Premius are having, both are having the same range, but only difference is Onfinity is having the 0.8 power factor, whereas Premius is having unity power factor. All of them comes with an inbuilt isolation transformer wherever the requirement is for with transformer, and the applications can be ATMs, home television, smart solutions, wherever the backup is required, like retail shops also, this UPS can be given. Then Darker Decay is a product which is a rack mountable UPS. Wherever the rack systems are required, where you have to put in the UPS, there this Darker Decay product can be specified. Then HP Max, it comes with 3 in single output, means 3-phase input and single phase output. We have a range from 10 kVA to 20 kVA. It also comes with an inbuilt isolation transformer. So all these models are plug and play models. So wherever these models are supplied, we give the installation also, like that will be discussed in the service slide. In three-phase portfolio, we have various products, right from 10 kVA to 40 kVA. We have one product called as HBI 33 Evo. Then we have Cure T Evo, which is up to 60 kVA. Then we have Cure HPA starting from 60 kVA up to 600 kVA. Then ahead we have also have modular solutions for the same, which is the Tri-mode product and the Cure mode product. So there are 2 types of UPS. One is monolithic UPS and another one is modular UPS. Monolithic UPS means if you want to increase the loading or give the redundancy to the UPS, then we have to connect 2 UPS in parallel. But this in the modular solution, you can take the frame size, say for example, if you want a 30 kVA UPS, you can take a frame size of 30 kVA, and at day 1, if your load is 10 kVA, so you can take the modules up to 10 kVA, and as and when the load increases, you can keep on adding the modules. So that is the advantage for modular UPS. Also, it saves the space, and wherever you are having vertical, you want to have a vertical scalability, you can take the modular UPS into consideration. So all these UPS can be parallel. Parallel as in you can give redundancy or you can increase the kVA rating of the UPS. So up to 6 units you can parallel and increase the kVA rating of the UPS. In modular UPS, all the modules are hot swappable. Hot swappable means at the live condition, you can take the faulty module outside and replace it without taking a shutdown. So that is the basic advantage of the modular UPS. Also, I would like to put some light on the inverter technology. So basically, all our 3-phase UPS are having IGBT rectifier and IGBT-based inverter. So, and also, there is a difference between the inverter technologies. You can see HPI 33 comes with 2nd level inverter technology, whereas Cure T Evo and all the higher ratings comes with 3rd level inverter technology. So the basic difference would be on the efficiency. If you are having 2nd level inverter technology, then the efficiency would be around 94%. And if it is 3rd level technology, the efficiency would be 96 and higher. Also, all these UPS are unity power factor. Unity power factor means whatever input you give, you'll get the same output. So there is no loss at the UPS end. So if I'm giving a power of, example, I'm giving 100, then I'll get 100 at the output. So there is no loss at the UPS side. Also, these are all compact footprints. HPI 33 Evo is our economic product. Like it is widely sold, HPI 33 Evo is the widely sold product which we have. In the same rating, we are having Cure T Evo, which is slightly at the premium side. Both this comes with inbuilt isolation transformer. It is having the compact size, and all these UPS are scalable. Like you can parallel the same kVA rating and increase your kVA capacity. Say for example, if I'm connecting two UPS of 10 kVA in parallel, the total output will be 20 kVA. Or if you like, for example, in hospitals where the load is very critical, you cannot take a chance where if UPS fails, then you cannot take chance at the hospital load. So we give a redundancy, as means we give a backup to the UPS, so that if one UPS goes off, then the other UPS will take the load. So these are product-based solutions which we provide. We also manufacture isolation transformers at our factory. Then we have having air-cooled stabilizers and oil-cooled stabilizers. So as and when the product requirement comes, we provide these solutions also. So isolation transformers, the ratings available are K1, K4 and K13 based on the applications wherever this UPS are to be supplied. The insulation class is H. We can give aluminum as well as copper wound isolation transformers also. And also as we fabricate at our Chennai factory, so identical cabinets can also be given. So wherever the aesthetics are needed, so we can give identical cabinets where you cannot find the difference that whether this is a UPS or a transformer. So same for air-cooled and oil-cooled voltage transformer stabilizers also. So Mr. Prashant will take care of the service from here.
Good evening, everyone. So, total we are having 250 plus service centers across India, and 1,200 people in service team. In that, 900 numbers are the field technicians, field service engineers who are on the on-roll only, and 24/7 help desks. As earlier, Ravi sir told that we are having these products in the service basket, like INC, installation commissioning, extended warranty, AMCs, annual maintenance contracts, and the battery solutions and trainings. So we are totally technology-enabled customer support systems. CRM is available in our service, this one. So whatever the call systems calls are logging in our help desks, all things are monitored through CRM. And as of now, we got the rating of 4.9 out of 5, and total approximately 50,000 responses are recorded in our system. That's all from service side.
Thank you. Thank you everybody for being such a lovely audience, and any questions, we would love to address those. It could be in terms of product, it could be in terms of service, it could be in terms of anything which is related to UPS or your understanding, or any other questions, we would love to take it up. So request to make it little interactive, so that the understanding what the type of knowledge we have done. Yeah, please.
Take it up this question. So in case of redundancy, what exactly happened? Suppose for taking your question, if you are creating 100 kVA, audible?
My question is that when you are providing the redundancy, means you are providing two UPS.
Correct.
So suppose I am taking one UPS of 100 kVA for X amount, then you will provide me two UPS because of that redundancy. And the amount will be a 2X or some special pricing, or how it works? Because if it is 2X, it will be very costly.
See, first of all, redundancy is been created only for supercritical applications where you cannot afford a second of a breakdown or a second of a power to be shut down. So then and then only you are creating a redundancy like a server or a medical application or in a OT theaters particularly. So that's an investment which you are creating for uptime, maintaining a uptime of more than 99 or 99.9%. So whenever we are creating a redundancy, your load will be for your example, considering your example, the load will be 100 kVA, and we will give you 100 kVA to UPS systems, and those will be in parallel. So and both these UPS system will be in synchronization with each other. Technically, in layman language, we can say they are talking to each other, and each UPS will have a 50% load on it. In any UPS conk off, the other UPS will take it over automatically without shutdown.
Just want to add you, yes, so the technology is evolving. 5 years before, if you want a redundancy, you will be forced to buy two numbers 100 kVA. But today, you saw two of our products, Cure Mode and Tri Mode. For example, Cure Mode, it's a frame which has 125 kVA is the maximum capacity. So your load is 100 kVA. There are 5 modules. So what I'll do is, I'll stack up 5 modules. Whether you need only 4 modules, one module is redundant. So here, your investment, extra investment is only one extra module. So you will not require to invest for one more set of complete UPS and batteries. So as far as the infrastructure cost, you will have to pay. But we, as responsible organization, we keep inventing products so that your additional cost is optimized. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Questions? The gentleman behind, probably they had some questions. So,
Can I continue with that answer? Hello? Yeah. So if we are putting the 5 stacks, can we remove that? It is a hot swappable, means I can remove the...
Yeah, you can remove. You can remove. Yeah.
so we have Jeetu Bhai from Pioneer IT. He happens to be our EBP. So Jeetu Bhai, would you like to add some words? Because he has been our EBP partner for approx 3 to 4 years, and he would want to share his experience. Jeetu Bhai, over to you.
Hi everyone, good evening. I think so most people have come here for our cricket auction. That's the same crowd here, I can see on the field. So pleasure, I'm being associated with Numeric for about 3 to 4 years. Pleasant working with them. An excellent company. It helps you to build up your better bottom line. Excellent support from the whole team. Ravi sir is here, Devinish is here, Prasad. These 3 of them I've been interacting regularly. There are other team members also on the backside. They have a corporate team, and it's a wonderful experience. But trust me, in today's world, we have a difficult on making margins. Okay. Secondly, acquiring new customers. So Numeric, I believe, is a good OEM to partner with. Okay, that's my personal experience I've been sharing with you. It helps you to build up a good new customer database, providing a right kind of a customer solution, adding your bottom line to your product. Over and above this, we were never into services for UPS. So Numeric helped us open up that channel for us. So they are able to take services across the brand for other UPS also. And we have our own set of customers whom we should never position a UPS service AMCs. With Numeric, we are able to do that. So in all, I think so, धंधे की बात, पैसा मिलेगा. Good. Thank you.
we would want to, from our side, yes, this is what we needed to present. Holistically, we have spoken on all the grounds. Summing up with Jeetu bhai, how it could make a value proposition, business value proposition, business के लिए क्या ज़रूरी है and और bottom line कैसे contribute करते हैं. Off the stage, we would want to connect with each of you. Any questions, we are more than happy to address. We shall exchange our coordinates, email ID, mobile numbers. So going forward also, you know, in case of any projects you are working on, any stock and sell products that you require, you can reach out to our team, and we will be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much. Thank you.